Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can mute players in a match in Battlefield 6. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just hit options key on your controller or escape key on keyboard. Once you do that, you need to select squad management from here. Now you'll able to see all of the members from your squad. So select the mic icon next to the player you wanna mute, and once you do that, that player will be muted. So this is how you can mute one of your teammate, but if you wanna mute enemy, in that case you need to open scoreboard. So for that, hold tab key on PC or options key on controller. Now to expand the scoreboard, we need to hit LT on Xbox, L2 on PlayStation, or right click on PC. Once the scoreboard is expanded, you'll able to scroll through the scoreboard. So just select the player you wanna mute. I wanna mute this player right here. I'll able to select that player, and this kind of window will open, and here we have bunch of options and one of them is mute. If we select that option, that player will be muted. And that's exactly how you can mute players in Battlefield 6 in a game. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.